Alright, guys, we are here in the beautiful Sunshine City, but the city is getting some rain, which is a blessing. We're here to make a delivery, but the customer asked us to drop it off with somebody, so the person is gone for their ID. So we're here getting a little bit of water, nice rainwater on our skin. And she was battling me up by, wait, what's the name of the shipping company? You see? So she look nice and sweet now. Yeah, she a bad man. I didn't catch your name. What's your name?
Shireen.
Shireen, your Wayne's wife?
Yes.
Okay. So Wayne never tell me say a wife me I bring you come to. I understand, man.
You want me to get sick?
Sorry, Shireen. You're not going to get sick, man. Here you
I
go.
was sick for 2 weeks ago.
Oh. Alright.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. Take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So Shireen is good with her package. And she's running out of the rain. Alright, guys. Catch you on the inside later. Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos, but I know you don't create your shipping account. What you're waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time it takes to watch this video. You know, want shipping items them to Jamaica at your doorstep, 25% of what FedEx or DHL will cost you. What you wait for? Do it. Click the link in the description box below and sign up now. Create your free shipping account. What you wait for? We are in the streets. Watch me.